So this is over 4-1, preparing a chart of accounts. And you'll notice that this section is kind of a review of what we covered in Chapter 3. So the relationship of a T account onto an account form. So you have your date, your item, and your post reference. And then you also have your T account with your debit and your credit side, and then the account balance columns. Oh, oops, I went too far. Okay, so now that I've made you dizzy. Okay, yes, we're on this one. So this is what a chart of accounts looks like. It's what what the topic of this section is about. And a chart of accounts is simply a business's accounts that it uses. And right here, you'll see that they're listed out. And you'll also notice that they go by tens. So there's an asset section, and then by tens, all the accounts in that section. A liability section is the liabilities. In that section. Owner's equity, and then the accounts in that section. And these are all balance sheet accounts. And then we have income statement accounts, and we have revenue, and we have expense accounts listed right here. And we'll go over the differences between these accounts later, but as you can see, expense accounts have expenses at the end. Our only revenue account right now is sales. And then assets, liabilities, and owner's equity are all divided up as you would expect. So this page right here talks about general ledger division. I'm not going to go over this super in depth, but as you can see, basically it just means how you space out your numbers. So opening a new account in the general ledger, you write the account title, and then you write the account number. Super simple, 2 steps. Write the account title and then the number. And then these are the terms for this section. So as you can see, it's just a lot of review, this section. So go ahead and get started and come over to me and we will work through the work together.